Alright, welcome to this particular episode of DDSRY Show. You are listening to Deepak Yadav. In the previous episode, I told you about what is comment in Python. And in this episode, I am going to explain you what is variable. Variable use as a container to store data values. Do not have to write code for declaring a variable. A variable is created at the moment when you assign a value to it. For example, a equal to 3. In this, a is a variable name and 3 is a value in it assigned, and that you have assigned into a means you have done declaration of a variable as well as assigning a value to it. In variable, you can change and assign any type of value. Any type of value means integer, float, double, boolean values, strings, words. Let's understand how to name a variable. You can write short names of variable like x and y, a, b, p, q, whatever short word or single letter. Or if you want to write a long variable name in a proper way, then you should use underscore. For example, if you want to write full name, this word full name, and you need also that between that you need a space, then you should use underscore between them, full underscore name, then your code will look good. And there are some rules to write variable names in Python. First, a variable name should start with a letter, or if you want to write a long variable name, as I told you, you should use underscore. A variable name cannot start with a number. If you are writing a variable name, your name should contain alphanumeric character and underscore only. Alphanumeric character, it means alphabets, whatever the A to Z in caps and small, or numbers, infinite numbers are there, and underscore. In Python, you can assign values to a multiple variable in one line. It means if you want to assign a apple, ball, and cat in a single line and all three different variable, then you will write a, b, c equal to apple codes, ball codes, and cat codes. Then in one line, then in A apple will assign, and in B ball will be assigned, and in C cat will be assigned. Means your code will be a, b, c equal to in quotes apple, ball, and in cat. And also in Python you can assign same value to a multiple variable in one line. For example, x equal to y equal to z equal to orange. Means orange is assigned to a 3 variable at a time in a one single line of a code. X is also, if you print X, then output will be orange. If you print Y, output will be orange. If you print Z, output will be orange. Next, let's understand what means by global variable. A variable that are created outside a function are known as global variable. Simply, whatever you use or whatever you assign a value outside the function, that's called global variable. Global variable can be used in both inside a function or outside the function. I will tell you in this series of the podcast. Thank you for listening. Have a good day. Bye bye.